What is going on, guys? We are about to head to Chuckwalla in this thing, a little B20 EK coupe. So the goal for this weekend is to beat this car's time. I think I ran the 217 and I had no brake pads when I did that, so it shouldn't be too hard. This thing has 400 horsepower. This has like maybe 140. We'll see how we do. No high hopes, just vibes. Apparently there's no connection for T-Mobile out here, so I do not have hot laps today. Let's see what happens.
Hey, I like your 35.
Thank you.
Good job, man. Have fun out there.
Appreciate it.
You ready?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
fast. Go and roll forward for me. Everything checks out. Everything looks good. Want to try it?
Don't know if I caught that, but it got a little spicy in the beginning. And I kept going fast. I don't know how I did because I think I lost the times, but yeah.
Yes.
So I was about to go out on the track again, and I saw this. That explains my tire shape. Probably shouldn't drive with that, but honestly, I'm still going to do my last session. Whatever happens, happens. So I just finished unloading everything, and this thing is badass. I just finished going through all the footage and figuring out my lap times because, like I said, I didn't have any reception out there. With that being said, I ran my fastest lap of the day on my second session, and it was a 2:16.98. I happened to actually beat the Infiniti's time. Now, to be fair, when I did drive this car at Chuckwalla, it was like a year ago, so I have gotten to be a better driver. I also threw cheap Duralast pads on the car at the time, not even Duralast Golds, and those things were brand new, and within 2 sessions they were gone. So it was metal on metal braking the rest of the day. So this thing's definitely got more time in it, and I'll have to take it back out there. But back to the Civic, this thing has more time in it too. I'm pretty sure without my tire issues I would have got at least another 2 seconds. At least that's what I hope. Pretty much immediately after I went off track trying to avoid hitting that guy in the MR2, I noticed the steering wheel started to shake. I took it back into the pits, and the lady told me everything looked alright with my tires. So I kind of assumed there was something wrong with the steering wheel linkage or something, and I just kept chugging along. I should have checked it out, but oh well, everything's okay. The steering wheel was literally shaking like this while I was accelerating. The tire actually got worse after I took it out again. I know I shouldn't have, but I couldn't help it, and it's kind of corded now. I think I'm just gonna replace this one, throw it in the back, and just keep chugging along. I know it's been like over a year since I uploaded. I've actually been doing a lot of driving, going out to different events. And for those of you wondering about my boosted R18, this is what it currently looks like. I could do a whole video on what happened to it. I haven't because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it until now. But as you can see, it's kind of all apart. The supercharger kit's off. If any of you guys are interested in buying my supercharger kit, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. I think I'm gonna go with a K24 and finally manual swap this thing. Like I said, I'll do a whole video on that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later.